Join me as I dive into the wild and try to uncover the story behind this rare 1980 Corvette that's been hiding for decades. I'm beyond excited to share this incredible discovery with you guys. After years of searching, a rare 1980 Corvette has finally been found, and I'm honored to be the one to break the news. This iconic American muscle car has been gathering dust for decades, and its discovery is sending shockwaves through the classic car community. For car enthusiasts, this is a momentous occasion. The 80 Corvette is a unicorn, a holy grail for collectors and restoration enthusiasts. Its rarity, combined with its stunning design and impressive performance, makes it a true gem. I can hardly believe we finally get to see one up close. As we delve into the story behind this incredible find, I want to set the stage for just how significant this is. The 1980 Corvette is a rare breed with only a handful of models produced that year. To find one in decent condition is a miracle, let alone one that's been hiding for so long. When it comes to classic car collectors, the thrill of the hunt is half the fun. Tracking down rare models, scouring through dusty old garages and barns, and negotiating with sellers is all part of the adventure. However, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles collectors face is finding rare models in decent condition. Many classic cars have been left to rot, forgotten in barns or junkyards, their once proud bodies now rusting away. Even if you do manage to find a rare model, there's no guarantee it'll be in good shape. Another challenge is verifying the car's authenticity. With so many fakes and reproductions out there, it's a tricky business. Collectors need to be meticulous in their research, tracing the car's history and verifying its provenance. Then there's the issue of restoration. Even if you do find a rare model in decent condition, it'll likely need a lot of work to get it back to its former glory. That means finding the right parts, tracking down original components, and putting in the countless hours of labor required to bring the car back to life. And yet, despite these challenges, collectors and restoration enthusiasts persist. The thrill of the hunt, the satisfaction of finding that elusive model, and the joy of bringing a forgotten classic back to life make it all worth it. So how did we stumble upon this rare 1980 Corvette? Well, the story is fascinating. The car was discovered in a dusty old barn, hidden away for decades. The barn was owned by an elderly gentleman who had long since forgotten about the car. As the story goes, the car was originally purchased by a wealthy businessman in the early 1980s. He drove it sparingly, eventually losing interest and leaving it to gather dust in the barn. Fast forward to the present day, and the car had been all but forgotten. The discovery was made by a team of classic car enthusiasts who had been tracking down leads and tips for months. They finally received a call from the elderly gentleman who had inherited the barn from his father. The team arrived at the barn, and what they found was astonishing. The Corvette was covered in dust and cobwebs, but even in its neglected state, its beauty still shone through. The team couldn't believe their eyes. They had stumbled upon something truly special. As they began to inspect the car, they realized just how rare it was. The Corvette was one of only a handful produced that year, and its original engine and transmission were still intact. The team knew they had struck gold. The moment of discovery was electric. The team couldn't contain their excitement as they surveyed the car, taking in every detail. It was like uncovering a time capsule, a window into the past. As news of the discovery spread, the classic car community went into overdrive. Collectors and enthusiasts from all over the world reached out, eager to learn more about the car. The significance of this find cannot be overstated. It's a rare glimpse into the past, a chance to appreciate a piece of automotive history. This find is more than just a rare car. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving our automotive heritage. Classic cars like this Corvette are a connection to our past, a way to appreciate the innovation and design that paved the way for the cars we drive today. The preservation of classic cars is crucial, not just for car enthusiasts, but for future generations. By restoring and maintaining these vehicles, we're ensuring that their stories are told and their history is preserved. So what's your favorite classic car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on classic car restoration and preservation. Thanks for watching.